ACYBC. Just got done with the track day. Bikes did so good, man. It was so good. Make sure you guys check out that video. But now we're starting this video, same day, just other half of the day. Got the drift car. I wasn't able to get it teched because Jordan wasn't over there, but I was able to get my band. So I'll head back over there, we'll get it teched. Really looking forward to today. Today's badass. Bonneville Bash is kind of the thing for me because last year, October 2nd, was the second day of the Bonneville Bash, and that was my very first drift event. So this event is my 1-year drifting anniversary, man. Yeah. Did it, man. Chasing the dreams and making it happen. Alright. I'm gonna eat some food real quick, power up, and then we're gonna go shred with the boys. Homie Kevin wants to drive. Me, Nick, and crew are gonna do some runs. It's gonna be good, man. Alright. About to go out and do our first sessions. The homie Kevin's down there waiting. He's been waiting all day to drive with me. So, sorry, man, I was out on the fucking bull bike. Anyway, it's gonna be sick, man. Can't wait to go send it, swing it. Swing it. Oh, Nick got his 360 too, so we're gonna get some more 360 footage for this video for you guys. You can thank the boy.
Yeah, you call me.
Okay.
Just get my fucking spectacles on.
That's a necessity, man. Sometimes I forget them and I leave them on the fucking dash. I go out on track, they go fucking flying. Oh shit. Let's go swing.
Swing and bang.
What up?
I need to get the tunes going.
Hell yeah. Ripped all of that shit out.
I just need a headphone, bro.
I even tried to remove this, but this controls all my gauges, so I had to put that back in.
Fine.
Alright, let's do it. Maybe that's why I'm out of fucking gas. Maybe that's why I feel it's underpowered. Damn, dude, I put it on him, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Holy
It's
fuck.
gonna be a sick fucking shot.
I just went all in. I didn't go fuck.
Every one of those cars hit the wall and then it was all bad.
I just flipped my tires around, did 4 sessions. We're gonna go get some good ass dinner. So we got hard all day and we want to eat some steak. So, well, I will be back in time for the night drifting. We'll should have 2.5 hours of some good ass night drifting. It's the Bonneville Bash, so everybody's gonna have their fucking lights going. So I'm not missing it. We'll be back. Just want to go get some good ass grub with the boys. Might as well, man. Live life. Take opportunities. Oh my fuck, don't do that. That's why I can't take him anywhere. So he's gonna hold that stick out my window at 100 miles an hour. Get me pulled over. All right, it's a bit busy in there, but my dad's in there right now getting us on the list. Yeah, the old bees. They got rats. Ricky Bobby. Well, we're gonna go chew some steaks to get back to drifting. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, boys. Just made it back from the bees. Ate that bees up. Drift is still going. What time is it? Still got a little over 2 hours. Let's go have a great time, man. Let's go swing, baby. It's time to drift. You. What time is it? Drift time! So you guys want to hear about why I'm the dumbass of the year? Fucking thought I left. I thought my keys fell out of my pocket. Been looking for them for fucking ever. I even called Applebee's. They're like, oh, we haven't seen them. I was just about to fucking drive all the way back up there when my dad's like, yo, your keys are in the door of your car, just sitting there in the fucking door. And I'm like, my god, dude, I'm so fucking drained, so tired. Well, let's go send it.
I need to give you a little advice, bro.
What's that?
You need to have spots where you keep all your stuff.
Dude, I try, man.
Always put, when you're done with it, it goes back in the spot.
I know, and I swear, dude, I thought I put them back in my pocket. I know, man.
This is where all my keys go every fucking time.
Every fucking time.
If you need a spot, you know, phones.
Take his advice, guys. The man knows what he's talking about. Dude, my phone case is in here too. God, dude. I'm falling apart, guys.
Yeah, you are.
Anyways, let's go fucking shred it. My dad's pooped, so he's probably not gonna do any filming, so that's alright though. We'll get some good inside of the cars. Rest up, Pops.
I'll do some filming.
This man's been going hard since 4:30. That's it for night one, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was sick. It's time for me to freaking drink a beer, close my eyes. I'm freaking done. I'm cooked. I'm tired. I've been up since 4:30. Drove my ass here. But anyways, see you guys in the morning. What up, everybody? Day 2. We just already went to the driver's meeting. Pops made a badass breakfast, full course, baby. Blueberry pancakes, hash browns, sausage, eggs. You're the man. Thank you, Pops. Just gonna change these tires before we go out. Last night they were slapping. Haven't looked at them, but yeah, that one's alright. But I'm sure this one's toast. They're not too bad. They got springs in them, so I'm not gonna worry about changing them for like a lap or two. But anyways, let's get into the day, man. It's gonna be kick ass. The wind's blowing really hard, so hopefully you guys heard me. But we got back from Applebee's. I couldn't find my keys for the 350 anywhere. And I was getting upset and I was checking everywhere I could think of, and then so I called Applebee's. I'm like, yo, you guys can see my keys anywhere? They didn't see them. They were in the freaking door of the car. I'm like, are you serious? And then after I found the keys, well, my pops found them. After that, freaking my window motor finally took a shit, so we were beating the door while pushing the window down to finally get the roll down, but we couldn't get the roll back up. And it rained last night, so my seat's all wet. So I'm sitting on a towel. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I'm sitting on a towel for now, so my ass doesn't get all wet. But let's go have a good ass time, man. Let's go send it. Do our first big train. We got 7 cars. Nick's leading, cruising second. I don't know everybody. We got the 30-30 behind me. Man, this is gonna be sick. He's like 7? Okay, let's do it. Run it.
That was my biggest train yet, brother. Holy shit. I was just so pissed I fucked up right there.
Yeah.
I ran out of angle and had too much speed.
Yeah.
That's the only reason we flipped it. I was like, fuck. Ran back up on him. Oh man, dude. That was not bad. That's something I've been waiting to do. I always have to just jump in on one at the very end, you know?
Yeah.
Not actually being one. Oh, dude. Thank you, everybody. If you guys see this video, fuck yeah. That was so sick, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man.
Alright, just got done with one of the sickest runs I've ever done, the biggest train I've done yet. Thank you everybody that was involved, that was so badass. You guys are freaking awesome. Just rotated the tires, car's good to go. Pops is starting to cook up some lunch, and then back at it, man. Oh yeah, I was freaking bummed though that I spun. So I just hurried and ran back up to him, we were able to do some sick tandies, man, that was so good. We were all so close. Crew was right on next door, that kid can drive, man. He's going places. Hopefully I'll be there someday too, man.
We just ate lunch. Nick's passed out. He went hard this weekend. My dad's pretty gassed. I'm pretty tired too. They're ready to pack up and go, so I don't know how many more rounds I'm gonna do, how many more sessions I'm gonna do, but would like to finish these tires.
I'm gonna cock my nine and my mama.
Cool the tires again, going out for a third hot lap in a row. Might be the last one. My fucking antenna. Holy shit, that was a bad one.
Popped it.
That was a big one. Fucking broke my antenna, dude. Holy shit. God, we were killing it though. That was so good. I can hear my rim hitting the ground every time it spins. I was slaying it that lap too, man. Riding the fucking barrier. Alright, made it back. A little bit of damage. Not too bad. Brake line's alright, so. Hopefully it didn't chew up the wheel too much. I think we're good, actually. God, what a badass fucking time.
Well, boys, it was such a kick-ass weekend. It's been a while since I popped one, so had to do it. Luckily, everything's fine. Pretty gnarly pop, but luckily everything's good. It did take off. So on the other side, it's supposed to be a piece right there where the rivet's in, but it bent that all up, took that whole piece off. I'm just gonna throw a screw through it and bolt it, but not a big deal, drift car. Brake line and everything's good. No problems there. Big dismount though. Thank you Salt City Drift for another awesome epic event, and hope you guys enjoyed today's video and yesterday's video on the bullet bike track. Hope you guys see both those. It's been an awesome weekend. Kick ass. Until next time, if you guys like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that. Support your boy. Love seeing it. Love talking to you guys. Until next time. Oh, I forgot I was gonna do a damage reporter this week. Something stupid really broke last night when we were getting gas. This little plastic piece on the gas cap broke. Right there. So my gas cap doesn't close. And every time I go drive, I'm that guy who doesn't know how to close his gas cap. Shit. And that damage from the blow up. Wonder how that took it, because that got damaged my last blow up. Not too bad a casualty. You guys are on KCYBC? Yeah.